Ready? All right, Keon, we're going up.
China cleared.
Ready?
Gear up.
Go ahead.
Flaps up. Gear down. Gear up.
I'm gonna switch the closest to us. Okay. It just rolled me to the right.
Going into the wind, that's
That plane doesn't sound bad now. I'm not gonna give him a hard time anymore.
low pod, over the belt.
Go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nice.
I think our chance of landing will be a little bit better.
Go. I lagged a little bit on that one. You want to?
Yeah.
All right, go.
Gear down. Landing flat.
Touch and go.
I have to speed up a little bit just to get around you, but we should come in at the same time. You're way the fuck out there, though. Whoa, whoa, did it to me too.
The wind, dude. The wind's clear.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Oh, I just felt it, yeah.
1 minute.
Feel that?
Yeah, that was some weird shit.
It just knocked me over to the side. Again?
Landing flaps. Gear
Yeah, that was a thermal. Same thing.
What the heck?
up. Flaps up.
Wow!
We gotta go faster.
30.
No flaps. Do it again next time, no flaps.
Yeah, no, I don't think we can do flat.
Because that's what messed me up. Because it's all.
Gear down.
Go. He's good. Is he up yet? There, he's up. We're good. Yeah, no flaps will be fine. Yeah, see?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Yeah, you're right, no flap.
Yeah, it was fine.
Time
With no
expired.
flaps, we were fine. Hey, there's a bald eagle. Sweet.
Right behind you.
I was looking at a bird while I was flying. That's not good. I'm gonna be behind you. I'll join up with you after this. Bald eagle, hello.
Oh!
Whoa, I felt it too.
It hit my elbow too. I got freaked out.
Here I am flying a plane and looking at birds. Jesus, that thing's loud. Oh, look out. Woohoo!
Crazy
Gear
guy.
up.
You gotta say what you're doing, young blood.
1 minute over. Gear down. Landing flaps.
I only put my flaps down to slow me down.
Flaps up.
There, they're gone now. Whoa! Oh, your wheel! Your wheel! Oh man, you're in luck though. I've got those clips. I've got the clips. You're in luck. Frankie, I have a clip.
Gear down.
Hey, I gotta land, fools.
2 minutes over.
There's thermals and all that. All right, you're clear. Whoa, hello.